Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I will explain why and how to change your battle. Net region step by step. Many players change region to access friends, events, or lower latency on servers. Choose region options based on where your friends play or where latency is lowest. Remember that store currency will change, and some purchases do not transfer between regions. Account progression, characters, and purchases often remain region locked and do not automatically migrate. I will cover app steps, reinstall needs, and key warnings for safe switching. Start by opening the Battle Net desktop app on your PC or Mac. Click the game selector at the top left to reveal the region/account drop-down menu. From that menu, select the desired region such as North America, Europe, or Asia for gameplay. After switching region, the client may require you to download or verify game files for the new region. Wait for any downloads to finish before launching the game to avoid launch errors and mismatched region content. Pay attention to key cautions before you change regions to avoid surprises. Progression, characters, and many purchases do not transfer across regions and remain locked to their original region. The store may show prices in local currency, and refunds or transfers often require contacting Blizzard support. Using a VPN to force a region change is not recommended and may violate Blizzard terms of service. If you need help with purchases or migration, open a support ticket and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.